Akenya no meguthi na mbere na gukenerera ngima ta irio iria andu aingi mariaga oro muthenya o ni thutha wa thirikari kuga kuri na mbembe cia kuigana guku bururi-ini noguo thogora wa mutu ndukwambatira. Minista wa URIMI MUTAHI KAGWE akiaria guku Nairobi oigite makũmbĩ ma bodi ya IRIO NYUMU NCPB marĩ na ngunia citanyiheire milioni 3.7 cia kilo 90 iria cikurekererio kuri ene ithĩi cia MUTU.
We have been hearing reports that the price of maize and consequently unga might begin to go up. We believe that because we know the quantity of maize in the country, we know that there are some people who are hoarding maize, waiting for the prices to come up. Unfortunately, this is not going to be the case because of two reasons. Number one, we are going to release from the strategic reserves we have. The NCPB is holding strategic reserves of maize. We are going to release some of the strategic reserves of maize to the millers so that the price can stabilize.
Oho KAGWE oigite niguo kuhukia uhuthiri wa mbembe hari uthondeki wa irio cia mahiũ na gucungiriria unyihu, thirikari ni hingurite mirango kuri ene ithĩi kugura mbembe cia gathirikari kuma mabũrũri ma nanja.
The press has been reporting, for example, shortages of or expensive farm inputs, and that's why we have said that we are going to gazette the importation of duty-free yellow maize in order that the millers who are, that is going to be imported by the millers themselves, who are the ones who make animal feeds. So the idea is to bring down the prices of animal feeds.
Mutaratara ũngĩ wa kũhũrana na ũnyihu wa mbembe nĩ wa gwĩtĩkĩria ũgũri wa mbembe kuma bũrũri wa Tanzania ũrĩa ũkoretwo mũru na wa hakuhĩ wa Kenya harĩ thũgũrĩ ya mbembe.
We have also appealed to the government of Tanzania. You know, we trade. Maize is freely moved around the East African community. And we also know that maize is also going to come into Kenya from Tanzania. So there should be no panic about the price of unga going up. It is not going to go up.
Tiga mitaratara ĩno bũrũri-inĩ ũtanyĩtwo kũgetha makĩria ma mbembe ngunia milioni 60 kĩmera gĩkĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirio nĩ arĩmi kũiyũkia bataraitha ya raithi na njĩra nene.
As far as Kenya is concerned, we are fighting for food sustainability. We are fighting for food independence, but we also want to make sure that we take care of our farmers.
Kameme TV ngĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ, njeta gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.